Hi everyone, it's Mariella from Binary Options Sheriff, and today we are going to ask the fundamental question of why trade binary options. The whole point of why I'm doing this YouTube review is that a lot of day traders or new traders are attracted into trading binary options because they pick an auto trader or a signal software without actually understanding that the signal software is only a tool to help you with binary option trading. Picking the right tool is absolutely of great importance. However, it is a tool. Knowing how to trade binary is really the most important education you can get so that you will have good results. So we are going to quickly go through why you should trade binary options over, for example, trading Forex. If we go on a platform for binary options, I have picked the Porter Finance platform because I do like the way they work. We will see that when you are trading binary as opposed to Forex, it is a lot simpler because basically what you have to do is you have to pick an asset, which is, as we can see here, there are big number of assets which are either currency pairs or as they are commodities. Let's have a look here and see what commodities we are offered: gold, silver and copper. We can also pick indices, and also finally we can pick stocks. I would always recommend that you pick whatever, instead of picking a huge amount of different assets and trading, is to pick up one asset and understand its movements instead of having a portfolio with too many assets. Once you have decided on what asset you're going to trade, then you're going to have to choose the expiry time. So here what we are looking at is expiries, which are going into different times that are ending. So today we have those which end within the next 15 minutes, within the next half an hour, within the next 3/4 of an hour, and so on and so forth. We have the end of day, and then we also have some future dates expiry. So picking the right time frame within which you would like to have your trade is absolutely important, and these we have prepared other YouTube reviews to explain how and why you should use one expiry over another. Finally, you are also going to choose the direction. So once you have picked up your asset, and let us say, for example, that the asset that we want to pick, we have chosen the immediate expiry, then we have to choose the direction. So we choose whether we are going to trade high or low, meaning that once the price, which would be the strike price, which is at this point here, we have taken our trade. Let's look at this together by taking a trade. So let us assume that the euro and US dollar, by the time it's 3:15, is going to end up in a lower price range than it is now. So I pick my trade, so my direction is low. After that, I pick the amount of value that I am going to make my trade, and I would like to go as low as 5 euros. All I have to do then is invest. I choose my trade, and this is what I will get then in terms of what will happen between now. So this is my starting point, this is my strike price. If my price ends up out of the zone here, as you can see at the moment it's out of the zone, then I am losing. If it ends within the zone and the ending time is at this point here, that is going to be a trade which will be successful. Why is binary options interesting over Forex? First of all, because you can do your risk management. So once I have taken a trade of $5, I know that that is the maximum amount of money that I am risking on this particular trade, and it will not be more than that. So if I lose, I'm going to lose $5. It can be anywhere between $5 all the way up to 25,000. It depends, of course, on the broker that you choose. Similarly, the payout is what the maximum amount of profit that you can make with the particular trade. So in terms of payouts, each brokers pay out different percentages, but for every, for example, with the euro and US dollar, for every $100 you trade, you will get 81% profit if you have chosen in the right direction. So it is really extremely easy in principle how you can execute a trade in binary options trading. It is really very, very simple. What is not so simple is choosing the direction, and we have dealt on principles and tools to use to help you make the right decision in other YouTube reviews. So far we have established that it is quite easy to execute a trade. You do not have leverages, so you know exactly at this point how much money you can lose and how much money you can win. Therefore, your risk management is very easy to do. It is also always recommended that you never trade more than 5% of your capital. So, for example, if you have $100 in your account, that you should not be trading more than $5. Of course, not all brokers are able to give you a minimum trade like Porter Finance for just $5. Most other brokers will start with a minimum trade of $25 or 25 euros or 25 pounds sterling, depending on your geographical location. Another word of importance is choosing a good broker. So if you are in the United States, the only regulated broker is Nadex. There are other good brokers like TraderX and Trade Thunder who also accept US traders. However, Nadex is the only regulated US broker. With other brokers which are taking traders from all over the world, especially within the European Union, you have a big number of brokers who are regulated. Always pick a regulated broker if you are in an area where you can pick a regulated broker, especially if you are trading in Europe. When a broker opts to be regulated, it means that they have some stringent rules to follow and they are being watched. And the most important thing is that when you get to withdraw your money, of course, you will be paid without any hassle, without any problem, and without any tragedies and sob stories. This is also very, very important. So this is another thing. When you are picking an auto trader, you will be assigned a broker that is on rotation. My advice is, before you fund your account and put money with that particular broker that has been assigned to your auto trader or Signal software, it is very important to do your due diligence and to check on them, because of course, it is very important that you pick a broker that will give you your capital and your profits whenever you want to be paid back. This is of absolute importance. Other advantages of trading binary is that the market is open 24 hours a day for 5 days a week. So starting very early in Australia, 8 o'clock in the morning in Australia, which would be the equivalent of 5:30 in the afternoon on Sunday in the United States, you can start trading. You do not have to knock on any doors. The platform is there. Most of the brokers are also able to give you the possibility of trading even on your cell phones or on tablets, so therefore you can actually trade when you are on the move. And this is very important because you can basically trade if you have a lunch break, if you are having another full-time job, trade in the evening, so you can trade within your own time parameters. If you are not going to be a full-time trader, you can be a part-time trader, and a part-time trader can still learn trading both binary options and Forex and trade from the comfort of your own home, and therefore you can make money online legitimately with trading options or Forex. What else can we say about trading that makes it quite simple? There is a lot of free information, very similar to what I am giving you with our educationals, and a lot of free tools. Netdania offers you free charting. You have to have Java in order to be able to use Netdania. It is not supported by Chrome, so you have to open it on either Firefox or Safari. It's not supported by Chrome, but otherwise you can get all the information free for your charting and the tools that are related to them. Free economic calendar, you can get it from Forex Factory, and don't worry, all this information I'm giving, there is a link below where I have actually already written out the information that I am giving you via this YouTube channel. My advice, as always, is pick a good broker. Do not accept bonuses. When you accept a bonus with a broker, you need to read the fine lines, because automatically your account will be logged until you turn over 20 times, sometimes even 30 times, the volume of your capital plus the bonus you take. So this is very important that you know that this is a possibility, and then you cannot pull out your capital or your profits until you've turned over this volume. So pick a good broker, do not accept bonuses, make sure that it is a regulated broker, and ask for a demo account. When you ask for a demo account, once you have funded your account with the minimum deposit, different brokers have different requirements for a minimum deposit, but usually this is an average of $250. You can ask for a demo account. Most brokers do have demo accounts, and therefore you can learn how to trade safely without risking one single penny, cent, or dollar. It is very important, because whilst you're understanding how a platform works and how to make money legitimately trading binary options, there could be times when you could be losing money. So don't lose money that you cannot afford. Don't invest money and trade money that you cannot afford to lose, because the market can go against you in the direction you have chosen. Having said that, binary options remains one of the easiest ways of making money online, especially if you learn how to do it properly. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more information about trading and free information about how to use tools, assets, and how to use them to your advantage to end up in the money. Thank you, and see you soon.